command. I might ask you to define it. I might give you a definition for it and ask you to explain something, or I don't know yet. It might be an essay question.
Are you going to say anything about the current event?
Yes. Well, there were 3 current events. We have the first one which dealt with the infection rate released, and this was just about hospitals being required to release infectious rates that are nosocomial hospital acquired. Then we had the current event on HPV. The fact that 7% of the population has human papillomavirus in their mouth. 7%. And then today's current event about washing your bags here.
What was the first one again?
Had to do with the infection rate, hospital infection rates, the reporting of those infection rates. So again, like I told you, it will be like a true-false question dealing with the headline more than anything, probably, and or a multiple choice again dealing with the headline, the main issue of the article. Food spoilage. I guess this is the last one. Know the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic values versus extrinsic values. Know what kind of organism might grow in a particular situation. So what if I said, this food has a water availability of 0.7 or 0.8. What type of microbe might grow there? You'll say a fungi. And of course, that would be another one of those multiple choice things probably. Maybe it's a true-false thing. The other thing to realize is that there'll be some matching as well. And the prokaryote thing really lends itself well to that kind of test or that kind of questioning. Anything else? Oh, I guess the last thing. We talked about 4 different organisms. We talked about Yersinia pestis, causes the bubonic plague. We talked about Plasmodium, causes malaria. We talked about influenza, H1N1, Spanish flu, and then Vibrio cholera. We talked about them just last time, causing stomach illness. So could ask you questions. I could say, which one of these organisms causes bubonic plague? And give you those 4, or something to that effect.
Can you say those 4 again?
Yersinia pestis, influenza virus, Vibrio cholera, and Plasmodium. So you've got a week to study. You can email me with questions about clarification. Don't email me, do I need to know this? Because yes, you do. Okay?